Guys, we are going to be playing Retro Bowl. If you don't remember, we started this a while back ago on Las Vegas. As you can see, Las Vegas currently first at 0-0-0. But my life's just been really busy. That's why I haven't been posting, if you're wondering. Why I haven't been posting is because my life's been really busy with school and stuff and all that. It's just not have time. But now I'm on Thanksgiving break, thankfully. So now I can actually post. So yeah. So let's get into this. If you don't remember, we had our draft, I do believe. Yeah, we had our draft. This is what we have. We have a rookie wide receiver, some rookie defense. So a lot of cap space love. So if we go over here to free agents, yeah, that would be the dream to get some of these dudes in here. But we don't have the money right now, so whatever. We're just gonna do this. Jacksonville versus Las Vegas. And we'll leave those same. Yeah, let's go. Kickoff. Oh. Okay, good job, defense. Good job, defense. Start off with a run. And we get a yard. Okay. Not a good start to the game. And we throw it. Okay. Okay, what we're going to try to do is we're trying to go deep, but no, we can't. So we're just going to bullet it. Okay, Basham. Who's that? T. Basham. Let's go. Dude, this is actually legit if we can score. And Jarrett with his first career touchdown, which makes me feel even better about this game. You know what, let's go for two. Yes! Okay, we're gonna throw it downfield to Basham. Oh my gosh, he broke 2 tackles! Oh my gosh! Okay. Touchdown! Let's go! We take the 2-score lead. Start this game off, which always is nice. Jacksonville punts again. They are not like us. Dude, our quarterback sucks, though. Like, sure, what kind of quarterback do I got? But I do have Jarrett. Jarrett's got speed. Jarrett's got some legs. Why did you do that? Okay, we haven't ran the ball since, like, the first play of the game. So let's run up the gut. Touchdown! Kills. Oh, yeah, we definitely played Travis Kelce. Yeah. Running back. And it scored. Touchdown! Oh, with the stiff arm. Left him eating dust. Come on, Jerry. Come on, Jerry. Yes, touchdown, Jerry. 84 yards to the house. Making this masterclass of a game. 32-0 at halftime. That is some football. This is some football being played here. This is some football. 37 yards. Let's go. Oh yeah, while I'm playing this game, you should also check out my new channel, Sharing the Gospel with You. I just started that, and I posted a couple shorts, YouTube shorts on it. You should go check it out. Yes! Going for 2 and make this hopefully a 40 to... Dang it. 38-0 is fine with me. Dude, Cam Little, dude, you missed a 61-yarder. Earlier, you hit a 68-yarder. Dude, I think Cam Little will break that record again. legit. I think Cam Little is definitely going to be breaking that record soon, if you ask me. Because Cam Little's like a legit, really good kicker. I would sign him immediately. I think I do have a kicker, it's just, I'm not using him. Because 2 free points. 2 points. Now in 6-man football, there's only 6 guys on the field, and extra points are worth 2. Which is awesome, I think. Dude, I'm excited to be 1-0 in Las Vegas. Oh! Breaking ankle already. Jared is actually going to help us so much. Y'all don't even know how much Jared's going to help us. Doop. Doop, doop. Doop! Yeah! Oh, man! 52-0. Back in the end zone, Bashan with a score of 54-0. We passed for 300 yards. I was going to say we must have passed more 300. We stopped an opponent to scoring. Good job. Scored 50 points. Dude. We destroyed Jacksonville. And yet. Kansas City. Dude, how am I supposed to know that? I guess yeah. Dude, he has the potential to be a 5-star. That's awesome. They're offering us a 2nd-round pick for a guy's worth of 3. Honestly, I might take that. But I might not. So, I need 2 wide receivers. So now. Denver. So we're going to go ahead and play 2 games today. Since it's been a while, just to say sorry. I'm sorry. So let's go Denver, and Las Vegas. It says Denver's like as both 5 stars. So if we somehow find a way to win this game, it'll be a major upset. So let's win this game. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Somehow Jared makes the pass makes it to Jared, and let's do this. Sorry for sometimes I sound like an announcer, football announcer, commentator, dude. 2-point conversion, 8-0. Let's go. And he's intercepted. Our defense is clutch. Our defense just came up clutch. Yes! Dude, y'all might not believe me, but I was playing another season of the Jets because I was just bored and I clicked not start with your favorite team. In my first season, full season there, 97 touchdowns. We threw 97 touchdowns. Just thrown, dude. 97. Don't actually, I'm not lying. 97 actual touchdowns. And then midway through the season, and in the next year, we're like 50 touchdowns maybe? Dang it, a sec. Come on, where's my O-line at? Oh my gosh. Dude, I accidentally bumped my phone screen. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna hit it over here to Basham. Basham scores a touchdown. There's like huge running backs is they're like really good. Or also just no use for a running back if they're not good. What are you doing like that? And it's 24-6. Somehow we're coming out clutch. Dude, if we start out the year 2-0, that would be awesome. But I have my suspicions that we're just gonna... Okay, well, what kind of play is this? It's broken. But, Jared! Pew! Pew! Touchdown! Last week we scored like 50 points. Dude! Okay, our defense is legit. A big boy run. 13 yards. By the way, our running back is 1 star, so that's why he's going to be the first person to go. Because I can live with Basham. He's pretty good. And he's like a 2 star. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, we almost broke his ankle again. If we make it to the conference, I'm setting the goal. If we make it to the conference championship, I'll set the thing to hard mode. If we win the Super Bowl this year, I'll turn it in the hard mode. I honestly think this game was gone a long time ago, but you know, we're just gonna roll with it. Touchdown, Kels! See, that's what he's good for. Bad running backs like this. Stuff like this. Just scored. 38-6. I had 100% pass completion? No way, dude. No way. Dude, Denver's 0-2, and they're such a good team. Like, look at that. 4.5 stars and a 5-star defense. Edmonds, man, we talked about this. Let's go strength. Okay, guys, that is all the time I have for today. So thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.